Hey, beautiful. Coach Malaika here. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgot why you were there in the first place? Or maybe you feel like there is a thick, heavy cloud sitting between you and your thought. It sounds familiar, isn't it? See, we call it brain fog. And in the menopause community, we are often told it's just part of getting older. How many of you guys heard that before? I know I'm not the only one. So, but what if I told you that the fog in your head is actually starting in your guts? Are you ready for this? Today, we are talking about the superhighway of your body, the vagus nerve. Now, the vagus nerve is the longest nerve in your body, and it acts as two-way radio between your gut and your brain. When your gut is inflamed, when that cleaning crew we talked about last week is not working, it sends distress signal straight up to your brain. See how the body is so connected? If your gut is loud, with inflammation, your brain cannot quiet it and focus. This is why so many women struggle with anxiety and memory lapse during menopause. It's not that your brain is falling. It's not that your gut is sending a 911 signal that is jamming your mental gear. Basically, that's what it is. Like, hey, save me, I'm dying. Understanding this connection changed my life. It took me from being unable to focus on daily tasks to having to clarity as I have today. In video 4, I am going to give you the exact step to claim this nerve and clear the fog. See, don't forget to subscribe now. We are cleaning the cloud together. Again, ladies, listen, if you be enjoying this video that we are creating right now, one thing that I do want you to do is that share it with somebody. You never know, I promise you, when you come to brain fog, a lot of menopause women are going to brain fog. Even ladies started from 35. I know, I told you guys, my journey started just on 37. And I remember quite like vividly if it was today. I would wake up, go into the computer, sit down there. I have my list, but I couldn't get to task 1 to task 2. It feels like something just so cloudy, so heavy in my head. But you did not make it up, ladies. And I truly understand. As someone who truly went through this phase, I understand every single thing that you are naming as symptom. Brain fog is not a joke. It just gives it like you don't have your life back. Can you imagine all day long you thinking about something you are going to do and you finally get to sit down to do it and you don't know what happened? You know, sometimes I feel like there's a lot of tabs opening up into my head. You know, and sometimes there's a voice somewhere. But ladies, you are not alone on this. I can tell you that. See, all of this, once you take care of this MMC, everything else will line up. Like now today, you know that your gut and your brain, there is a connection between those two. So we have now to go in holistically take care of our body. Not just one thing, because see, the body is so complex. When you touch one, you touch the other. That's why, you know, when I'm looking at medical convention, when your arm is hurt, they say, oh, let's cut it off. But that arm is gone, is always going to affect the other part. You have issue with fibroid. Oh, let's remove your ovary. Please, don't, I want to say something but I want to make sure what I'm saying is you getting what I'm saying. If medical intervention happen, if healing is needed, hey, go in and get it. Because I know I met some people, they are in this crucial pain. They have to remove the ovary or the whole uterus, okay? But I also want you to know that when we do that, the body, the rest of the body, the rest of the part, we actually feel it as well. This is the truth. Some of us, the doctor may not able to explain to us the truth. That's why when you go to the whole full, you know, like your ovary, your uterus and everything be removed, just what it take you straight to menopause. Once the whole wound is gone, menopause. And some of us, we didn't realize that until after the month. But ladies, if you are that person today, I'm glad that you're here, because to know that there is a way for you to take off your body. Now, as we go into the digestion issues now, your constipation, you know where the blow comes from. Now, you just hear me last week. I talk about that MMC. You have a clinical clue, but you got to make sure the environment is set for them to work, to do their work effectively. That's when you and I come in. We have to put our glove on and take off our body. That's the only body, lady, that we are living here on this planet. So what would be a privilege for us to take off that body? We should do that. Because you know what, when we do that, not only that we are setting, the stage for the people that will come after us, like your kid, for example. If you have high blood pressure, do you want that to be the same story for your kid? No. If you have diabetes, is that what you want? No. We want to get better for our family. And we want to get better for us. That's why we are here. That's why, the whole consolidation really, in my mind, I want where you come here, you get everything that you needed. I am skincare from little. I am a hairdresser. I've been doing that for over 30 years. So you are here, right here, and a chef. So I'm bringing you everything, ladies. Because I know when I was going through my own issues, I'm not just the only one affected. My husband was, my children was. Because I couldn't do my potential. I could tap into my potential. Some days I wake up, I just feel like sleepy. Some days I want to do things. I have my pen, my paper. Nothing will come onto my, it's like my brain went to a state of frozen. Ladies, I can tell you that there is a way. And I can wait when we dive into the next session, because I'm going to give you the step-by-step how to clear all of this fog. So again, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you next video. Again, this is Coach Malaika. And ladies, I'll talk to you soon. For some of you guys just join us. If you just subscribe to the channel, I appreciate you. But please don't forget to make sure that you have ring that bell. Why? So every time I'm here, every time I drop a video, you will be the first one to hear about it. All right. Again, I will talk to you soon. Ciao for now. Bye.